Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to do outline and embedding your fonts and links in artwork files. So to make it easy for the graphics department and to make sure that there's no problems getting your artwork through, there's 2 quick tips that you can do to make sure your order goes smoothly. So to begin, we're going to open an artwork file that I worked on last night at home. So I download the template from our website, set up my artwork at home, and submitted it through our FTP site. Now we are using Adobe Illustrator, which is a graphic standard program. We're going to open the file. As you can see, I have a missing font. So when I worked on the artwork file last night at home, this font was on my home computer. But when I submitted it to the graphics department, they don't have this font. Some fonts are native to your own computer and are not on other people's computer. So when it gets to the graphics department and a font is missing, they can't do anything about it. The program just makes it a generic font so you can still read the text, but it is definitely not the font I chose last night at home. There's one simple trick that you can do to make sure this doesn't happen. So we're going to open up the file again. This file is not missing a font. As you can see, there is no pinkish orange behind the text. So this is what my text is supposed to look like. So to make sure that we aren't missing a font, you're going to select your font, and then you're going to go up to Type, Create Outlines. There are little boxes all around your words, and this means that the font is outlined and anyone can open this file and not have a missing font. Anyone. The text has now become an object. So it is just that easy to outline your fonts, and it makes your orders go smoothly through the graphics department here at our company. So let's move on to missing links. These pictures I linked on my home computer before sending it in through the FTP to our graphics department here. So let's open that file that I created at home. When I open my file that I created at home and submitted it through the FTP, you can see that the pictures that were on the top of the file is now missing. The file is on my home computer and is not on the graphics department computer. And as you can see, there is no picture. It is completely gone. And that's what happens when a file is unlinked. And as you can see on the original file, if we click on the pictures, and then we click over on the links panel. This can also be found under Window Links. And you can tell it's not embedded because it does not have the square with the 2 shapes in the side of it. When it has nothing in it, it means that it is linked. So to embed your picture, you are just going to click on the down arrow here, and you are going to go to Embed Images. This little box will pop up, and you will click OK. And just like that, your image is now embedded. And you can see the little box with the square has been added to it. The font is outlined and the links are embedded. This artwork should go through our graphics department with no problem. It's just that easy to outline and embed your fonts in Illustrator to make sure your artwork file goes through our graphics department smoothly. So I'll see you next time for another Quick Tip Tuesday.